Everyone, welcome back to Guide to PNC System. I am Anita and in today's video we are going to talk about forms. I will keep it simple and practical so that even if you are new you will understand it clearly. In any insurance system, forms are policy documents that get attached to a policy term. These include coverage forms, endorsement forms, exclusion forms, and any state specific notices or any mandatory disclosure documents. So, forms are triggered during each policy transactions like new submission, policy change or a renewal or a rewrite transaction, etc. So whenever you click quote or bind, system runs rating the underwriting rules and form inference logic, and then it selects matching form patterns, attaches the forms to the policy, generate final PDF document during issuance. For example, if we create a personal auto policy in Texas, if liability coverage is selected in the policy, it attaches liability form. If collision coverage is added, it will attach collision endorsement form. If the customer rejects UM or UIM, then UM rejection form will be attached to the policy. So everything is driven by the rules automatically. Now we'll see what is form pattern. A form pattern is basically the definition or a template of a form in policy system. It contains information like form code, form name, jurisdiction or state, the line of business, effective date and the category of the form. So when the system decides a policy needs certain form, it checks the form pattern and picks the right version. Think of form pattern as the master configuration of each form. So next comes your inference logic. It is the rule engine that decides which forms should be attached to this policy. So basically it checks the line of business, state, the coverage selections, limits and deductibles. If it is a property, then building details, risk type, the policy type and the transaction type. So based on these inputs, the system automatically attaches the required forms to ensure compliance and to avoid manual errors. For a homeowner policy in California, if the building is very old, it might require additional hazard disclosures. If it is a wildfire zone, it might require wildfire notice form. So everything is driven by inference logic without manual selection. This is all about forms. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.